Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and if you want to instantly cozy up a space, find a beautiful rug like I did. This Wynn braided rug is from nuLOOM and has instantly elevated this space. Check out the before and after. Just that added texture and splash of color really brought new life to this little front porch space. This is a 3x5 rug. It comes in a variety of colors. I chose the aqua. I have neutral patio furniture. I really wanted to add some extra color to balance out the neutral tones, and I think this has been the perfect added color accent. And I really love the texture of this braided weave. The great thing about this rug as well is its indoor-outdoor use. So while I have it outdoors right now on my front porch, I fully intend to bring it in the colder months and add it to my decor inside as well. So if you're looking for a beautiful, functional rug, look no further. nuLOOM has got you covered with this braided outdoor rug. You're gonna love how it transforms your space. And that's my point of view.